I started HETC in 2004, I was a university student, and all I had was a dream to provide a real outcome to the community and solve real problems for the industry. Today, HETC has thousands of students around the world, and we're opening a new campus here on the Gold Coast.
I wish when I was growing up through my career, I had an opportunity like this. This industry is a perishable product. It is 24 hours. It demands real-time customer satisfaction. It's labor-intensive. So when you put all of that in a mixture, it really demands a lot of good talent. So we are indeed fortunate to have HETC deliver such a fabulous facility, which we would like as Merit International to be an employer of choice. With that, I just want to say congratulations. Thank you very much for having us all over here, and wish you much success in the future.
And I would like to take this opportunity to thank my dedicated, committed and loyal HETC team. We couldn't have done it without you, and thank you.